Alright, it's videoing. That red dot means it's videoing.
Okay, are you done? Hey guys, we're here to me, and this is my camera. So we're out in the now in my garden, and we're gonna do some stuff. So play with hide with stuff, and play with stuff, and do and play with Gooey.
Alright, now you're videoing. Can you see me?
Mhm.
We're about to go take this chainsaw down there and cut some weeds off our fence.
And tell them what else you're gonna do.
We gotta just finish putting gas in our chainsaw and our weed eater, and we're gonna go down there and do some cutting.
Okay.
Turn it off.
No, I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Then now, how do I press to the camera?
Alright, right here.
Do we press this to make it go to the camera?
Turn your camera off. Push that button.
Dad, I'm videoing. Whoa, 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 whoa. I need a.
What do y'all want to do first?
I don't really know what your plan is. So tell me what your plan is.
I'm going to take this weed and go down through there and some of those briars and stuff back.
Okay.
And saw the trees down with me.
Oh.
So that I can
Now, how do we turn it off, Mom?
up against it good.
Mom, we need to turn this off.
And so I'm going to go out there and hit those, and then I'm going to go back to the chainsaw and cut these limbs so that I can drive the lawnmower and not have to swerve for the trees and all that.
Okay.
And I'll cut the trees.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Now we're turning it off. Yeah.
Great.
Feel video. Go.
So what? Let's start, huh?
We got everything cut today. A lot of hard work. We're going home to make Daddy's favorite shrimp and pasta soup.
And eat it till we're done, and then we gotta go to sleep. Okay. Now, how do we turn? Mom, how do we turn this off? This is not cheese. Pressing this video.
Oh. Let me see. Let's see how you doing. Alright, let go.
I'm pushing.
Yep, so you just have to push it one time.
What's up? My name's Zane. And you can see Christmas tree is up. And got some little houses. Little reindeer stuff. Got a little Christmas tree up there. Chimney. Another little house. And yeah. What are you doing, Grady? Grady. What are you doing? Okay.
Bob, this is Baby Aspen. Because Baby Aspen has been born.
He has?
Uh-huh.
A baby's been born, he says.
Yeah,
That's for him.
yeah, this is Baby Aspen.
Hey, show him your shirt, Grady. Show him your shirt. Dump truck. What's that called, Grady?
A dump truck.
It's not no dump truck. It's a cat. It's called a cat. What you doing, Audrey? What you doing, Audrey? Hmm? Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. Alright, peace out, y'all. Say bye. Say bye, say bye, Audrey.
Bye.
She said bye. Say bye, Grady. Say bye, fam.
Bye, fam.
Bye, y'all.
Hey, go charge me first.
Alright, you got it? Yep, it's ready.
Okay, tell me what you're doing.
Well, we're going to go charge the bumblebee. Go look at Max. He's trying to dig up a bowl. Deal? What's he doing, Grady?
See. I see.
Max, I don't think he's right there. Coming back.
Where did he go?
Well, I don't know.
Vigorous was keeping away.
Max don't know either. Gotta learn to use your smeller, buddy. Catch them. Smell them before you dig them all up.
Dad, he can't smell anymore. Wait, no, he smells. Hey, Max, why'd you do that? I'm telling you what you're doing.
I'm just watching Max dig up the yard.
Is there someone else doing stuff?
No, but you maybe could go and show them your new play set and your swing and stuff.
Okay.
Turn the camera around, talk to it. Come say, we're gonna look at my play set.
We're going to look at my playset.
Now turn the camera around.
We're watching Max dig for mole, and then we're come to see my playset, and then we're gonna do stuff at the Max. Come on.
I think it's good charging.